Hello everyone, today I would like to do a simple short video on how to avoid mark loss in additional maths. Sharing is caring by me, Teacher Liao. So first of all, I would like to inform you before you start your exam paper. You always have to remind yourself, read the instruction or question carefully. Write your answer in 4 significance with at least 2 decimal places. And focus on method, the steps to do, and not the techniques or shortcuts or answers. Right, answer is not going to give you full marks, alright? The steps and the methods itself will give you bonus mark. Keep the use of calculator to the minimum. Try not to start your exam question using calculator, okay? Use your brain to think how to do. These are the steps properly, nicely, in order. Then when you have times or you really cannot solve it, you have to use calculator, then you use it. If not, don't use. Alright, because the marks is not going to depends on your calculator. Are you going to send your calculator to the lembaga peperiksaan for them to check? No, right? So please try not to use a calculator to solve, alright? Only to help you to get the answer when necessary. So anyone who use a calculator a lot, please remind yourself you will lose marks because of that. And then just to remind you, don't go for shortcut, don't go for easy maths, don't go for special technique, go from the right method to do as teach by a teacher. Okay? Alright, always be confident in yourself. You can do it. Alright? Trust yourself, trust your answer, double check your answer using calculator. Alright, today I'm going to discuss one question on function and inverse function. Alright, one day one question will do. Maybe I try to post a short question and discuss. So today I would like to discuss about the function, right? So let's say you are given the fx, right? Like this is equal to, let's say, 2x minus 3 over 2x minus 1, like this. Then you're asking to find the inverse function. So guys, how are you going to do? And then you still remember, right? And then the question also always like to start with the hence. This is very important keywords. Find f inverse 2. Alright, my dear student, I would like to remind you, when you see hence, it's very important for you to highlight the hence. It's telling you that you must do this step first, okay? And then after this, you have to continue with finding this answer. There is a correlation. Alright, so we are going to use this function and find the inverse function. The concept x. Right, so x is a mass. Then from x we have the function f will bring x to the y, right? So this y is actually fx. Right. So then what is inverse function? Inverse function is actually, it will bring back this function that bring back the y to x. So you can write inverse function will bring y to x, like this. So basically when you want to do any inverse function, you must say fx equal to y first, right? It is a must to say let fx equal to y, then f inverse y equal to x. Got it? Got it? This is very important. So then you can start to do, once you found the x, that means you found the inverse of y, right? So let's always start with the right step. Let fx equal to y, and then we will say hence x is equal to f inverse of y. Right, so we're going to find the x. If we found the x, meaning we will find the inverse of y. So we have the function fx equal to 2x minus 3 over 2x minus 1, right? So let's let the fx equal to y, right? Okay, we're going to let fx equal to y, 2x minus 3 over 2x minus 1. So in order to find the x, we have to cross multiply. So that means y times 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Now, our purpose, our intention is to find the x, right? So we have to expand 2xy minus y equal to 2x minus 3. Now, you see the 2x, the x is at two places. So you have to accumulate, bring them together. This y bring over y minus 3. So our intention is to get the x out of the function here. So balance is 2y. How you get this? 2y you divide by x because you factorize the x here. So if you multiply back, you get 2xy and 2x, right? It's still minus here. So it's equal to y minus 3. So finally, we write x is equal to y minus 3 over 2y minus 2. Okay, so what is x? X is our inverse of the y. So it's y minus 3 over 2y minus 2. So please don't forget the question asking for inverse with the object x, right? So we have to quickly write x minus 3 over 2x minus 2 and write the condition, okay? If possible, please do it properly with the condition. Alright, so now hence, now we are going to answer hence. After you got this, then you can find the f inverse 2. Meaning that you're going to substitute the 2 into the x. 2 is the object, and then 2 times 2 minus 2. So then the answer is negative 1 over 4 minus 2 is 2. Right? Negative 1 over 2. That is the inverse of the 2. Right. So this is the answer for the question that I discussed just now. Alright. So please do proper way, proper method like this. Always start with the definition, right? Fx equal to y, and then x equal to f inverse of y. Then you start to do step by step. Do it carefully, double check your answer, and then don't forget write your answer in terms of x with the condition. Right, so do not use your calculator to get the answer. You may use your calculator to check. Alright, that's all. I'm going to share another question. Till then. 只要和你在一起，还有谁